Today, we are going to learn how to make a screenshot using a shortcut. This shortcut will let you capture anything in your computer or laptop. I am Mr. Gadget Tech Zone, and let's get started. Now, let's say I want to make a beautiful screenshot of this picture. So Rockstars, to take our screenshot, we are going to use the shortcut key Windows plus Shift plus S. So this panel is going to appear. The first one is the full screen snipe. So to use this one, you'll just click on it and your screenshot will be instantly taken. The second one is the window snipe. With this feature, you just click on it. After that, you come and click on your windows to activate it and your screenshot will be taken. And the third one being the freeform snipe. With this feature, you're going to come to your windows and just circle that place that you want. After you release it, the screenshot will be taken. And the last one, the rectangular snipe. So with this feature, you're just going to come to your image and properly crop it like this. After you're done, you release it and your screenshot will be taken. Locate your screenshot in the notification bar. Select it. After that, you can be able to edit your screenshot to the image that you would like to have. So we're going to crop in this image nicely. To accept the settings, we're going to click on this. Image is ready. You can share by clicking here. When you click here, you're going to save. When you click here, you're going to copy. So that's how to make a screenshot. Now you know how to make a screenshot in your computer. I've also posted a video on how to make a screen recording in Windows 10. Please, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you for watching.